Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing an architectural template and setting units so measurements match reality. Next, import your floor plan image and immediately scale it using the tape measure tool. This guarantees accuracy. Once scaled, lock the image on a separate tag and begin tracing primary walls with line or rectangle, keeping wall thickness consistent. Make sure to create a base group for the plan before extruding. This prevents accidental geometry merging and keeps your model organized as you proceed. Now you build the structure. Select traced wall faces and use push/pull to reach your target wall height. As you add doors and windows, make each opening a component so edits update across repeats. Use offset to create precise frames and the rectangle tool to cut openings, then push/pull to remove geometry. For alignment, place guides with the tape measure tool and infer snaps to stay exact. Once done, group floor, walls, and fixtures separately so you can toggle visibility and avoid unintentional edits. To finish, apply materials using the paint bucket and adjust texture scale for realistic finishes, then add dimensions and set scenes for standard views. Clean up stray edges and reverse faces so lighting and exports render correctly. Export a 2D plan via File Export 2D Graphic for printing or Export DWG for CAD workflows. If things break, isolate problematic geometry into its own group and use solid tools or eraser to remove hidden edges. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.